Today, I'm going to show you how to build any website in 60 seconds. No coding, no design skills, no monthly fees. This free AI tool just beat every $99 website builder. And it's so easy, my grandma could use it. You won't believe what happens next. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Listen up. Something big just dropped. And I mean really big. While everyone's paying $99 a month for website builders that take hours to set up, there's a new AI tool that does it better, for free, in under a minute. It's called DeepSite V2, and it just changed everything. Here's what's happening right now. People are paying $99 a month for website builders that take hours to set up, but DeepSite V2 does it better, for free, in under a minute. But here's the crazy part. This isn't just another website builder. This thing creates games, apps, e-commerce stores, whatever you can imagine. And I'm going to show you exactly how with 5 real examples. The exact prompts, the exact results, everything. Let me show you exactly how this works. DeepSite V2 runs on something called Deepseek R1. That's the same AI model that's competing with ChatGPT and Claude. But here's the twist. They made it completely free on Hugging Face. You literally just type what you want, like this. Create a bubble tea company website with ordering system. Boom, done. Professional website in seconds. But wait, it gets better. You can also say, make the button cooler, and it knows exactly what you mean. It updates just that button, not the whole site. This is what they call chat and edit. You're basically having a conversation with AI to build your website. Now here's where most people mess up. They think this is just for simple sites. Wrong. I've seen people create full e-commerce stores with shopping carts, interactive games like Snake and Tetris, portfolio sites with animations, business websites with contact forms, landing pages that convert, all from simple text descriptions. But here's what blew my mind. Remember those expensive tools like Cursor that cost $20 a month? DeepSite V2 does the same thing, but in your browser, for free. They're calling it the web-based Cursor. And honestly, it's better than Cursor in many ways. Here's why. With Cursor, you still need to know some coding. With DeepSite V2, you just talk to it like a human. Make the header bigger, change the color to blue, add a contact form. It understands everything. Now let me tell you about the technology behind this, because this is where it gets really interesting. DeepSite V2 uses something called diff patching. Sounds fancy, right? Here's what it means in simple terms. When you ask for a change, it doesn't rebuild your whole website. It only changes the exact part you asked for. This means your edits happen instantly, no waiting, no losing your work. Compare that to other tools where you change one thing and it breaks everything else. Not here. Now here's where most people will make a mistake. They'll try this once, build something basic and think, that's cool, and forget about it. Don't do that. Here's how you actually use this to make money. First, offer website services to local businesses. You can build their site in front of them in 5 minutes, charge $500. Second, create lead magnets, build landing pages for your offers, test different versions in minutes instead of weeks. Third, prototype your ideas fast. Got a business idea? Build the website first. See if people want it, then build the business. But here's the thing nobody's talking about. This is just the beginning. DeepSite V2 just launched with the new Deepseek R1 model. This model thinks before it codes. It plans out your website structure first, then builds it. That's why the results are so good. Now let me show you the exact process to use this. Step 1, go to huggingface.co/spaces/enzostvs/deepsite. That's it. No sign up required, no credit card, nothing. Step 2, describe what you want. Be specific. Instead of make a website, say, create a photography portfolio with dark theme, image gallery, and contact form. Step 3, watch the magic happen. You'll see the code being written line by line and the preview updating in real time. Step 4, make changes by talking to it. Make the text bigger, change the background color, add social media icons. Step 5, download your code or deploy it directly. That's it, 5 steps. Anyone can do this. Now here's a pro tip for getting the best results. The more specific you are, the better your output will be. Look at those 5 examples I just showed you. Each prompt was detailed. Colors, sections, specific features. That's what gets you professional results. Don't say, make a business website. Say, create a modern law firm website with blue and white colors, client testimonials, practice areas, and appointment booking. The AI loves details. Give it what it wants. Now, here's something important. This tool is completely open source. That means the code is available for everyone. You can run your own version if you want, but more importantly, it means this isn't going anywhere. Big companies can't buy it and shut it down. It's built by the community, for the community, and here's why this matters. Most AI tools start free, then get expensive. This one can't, because anyone can copy the code and run their own version. That's the power of open source. Now, let me address the big question. Is this actually good enough for real businesses? Short answer, yes. The code it generates is clean, the design is modern, and it works on all devices. You get proper HTML structure, CSS with Tailwind framework, and responsive design that looks professional. But here's the thing, it's not perfect yet. Right now, it's focused on front-end code. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, no back-end databases, no user accounts, no payment processing. But for 90% of websites, that's all you need. And here's what's really crazy. This is version 2. Version 1 came out just a few months ago. The progress is insane. At this rate, version 3 will probably build full apps with databases and everything. Now, here's where things get interesting for business owners. You know how web development agencies charge $10,000 for a basic website, and it takes them 6 weeks? With DeepSite V2, you can build that same website in 10 minutes, for free. That's not just savings, that's a competitive advantage. While your competitors are waiting 6 weeks for their website, you're already testing and iterating. Speed wins in business, always. But here's what's really exciting. This democratizes web development. Before, you needed to learn to code, buy expensive software, hire developers, wait weeks for changes. Now you just talk to AI and get what you want instantly. This levels the playing field. Small businesses can compete with big corporations. Entrepreneurs can test ideas fast. Anyone can build online, and that's beautiful. Now, let me give you 5 exact prompts you can test right now. I'm going to show you the exact prompt and exactly what you'll get. Example 1, e-commerce store. Here's the prompt. Create a modern online clothing store with dark theme, product grid, shopping cart icon, and checkout button. Include header navigation, hero section with sale banner, and footer with social links. What you get? A complete e-commerce website with a professional dark design. You'll see a navigation bar with menu items like home, shop, about, contact. A hero section with a big sale banner saying something like 50% off summer collection. Below that, a grid of product cards with clothing images, prices, and add to cart buttons. A shopping cart icon in the top right that shows item count, and a footer with social media icons for Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, all responsive and mobile friendly. Example 2, business website. Here's the prompt. Build a professional digital marketing agency website with blue and white colors, services section, client testimonials, team photos, contact form, and call to action buttons. What you get? A sleek business website with a blue and white color scheme. You'll see a header with your agency name and navigation, a hero section with a headline like Grow Your Business with Digital Marketing, and a call to action button. A services section with icons and descriptions for SEO, PPC, social media marketing, client testimonials with photos and quotes, a team section with professional headshots and names, and a working contact form with fields for name, email, and message, plus call to action buttons throughout. Example 3, snake game. Here's the prompt. Create a classic snake game with green snake, red food dots, score counter, game over screen, and restart button. Use arrow keys for controls. What you get? A fully playable snake game. You'll see a black game board with a green snake that moves when you press arrow keys. Red dots appear randomly as food. When the snake eats food, it grows longer and your score increases. The score counter shows in real time at the top. When you hit the wall or yourself, you get a game over screen with your final score and a restart button to play again. Everything works perfectly. Example 4, SEO tool. Here's the prompt. Design an SEO keyword research tool interface with search input box, results table showing keyword difficulty and search volume, export button, and clean dashboard layout. What you get? A professional SEO tool interface that looks like real software. You'll see a clean dashboard with a search box where you can type keywords. Below that, a results table with columns for keyword, search volume, keyword difficulty, and CPC. Sample data populates the table showing different keywords with their metrics. An export button lets you download results. The whole interface has a modern, clean design with proper spacing and typography. Example 5, restaurant site. Here's the prompt. Make an Italian restaurant website with warm colors, menu sections, online reservation form, photo gallery, location map, and phone number prominently displayed. What you get, a beautiful restaurant website with warm orange and red colors. You'll see a header with the restaurant name and navigation, a hero section with appetizing food photos, menu sections organized by categories like appetizers, pasta, pizza, desserts with prices and descriptions, a photo gallery showcasing the restaurant interior and dishes, an online reservation form where customers can book tables, a contact section with the phone number displayed prominently, and an embedded Google Maps showing the location. Everything styled to feel warm and inviting. Think about what you just saw. 5 completely different types of websites, a game, a business tool, all from simple text prompts, and each one would normally take weeks to build and cost thousands of dollars. With DeepSite V2, you get all of this in under 60 seconds for free. These aren't edge cases. This is normal for DeepSite V2. But here's what most people don't realize. The AI keeps getting smarter. Every time someone uses it, the model learns. Every website built makes it better at building websites. That's the power of AI. It improves automatically. So the DeepSite V2 you use today will be worse than the one you use next month, and way worse than the one you will use next year. That's exponential improvement. Now here's something cool about the technology. It uses something called inference-based building. Sounds complicated, right? Here's what it means. Before it writes any code, it thinks about what you need. Does your site need a shopping cart? Does it need animations? Does it need forms? Then it plans the whole structure. Then it builds it. That's why the results are so cohesive. It's not just throwing code together, it's architecting a solution. This is next level AI. And here's the part that gets me excited. This is happening now, not in 5 years, not in 2030. Right now, you can use this today, build websites today, start a business today. The future is here, and it's free. But here's what I want you to understand. This isn't just about building websites. This is about removing barriers. Barriers to starting a business, barriers to testing ideas, barriers to creating online. When anyone can build anything in minutes, everything changes. Suddenly, your idea matters more than your technical skills. Your creativity matters more than your coding ability. That's powerful. Here's the bottom line. Whether you're building a personal blog, starting a business, or just curious about AI, you need to try DeepSite V2, not because I said so, but because the future is happening right now, and you don't want to miss it. Remember, Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below with what you build. I want to see your creations. Now, if you want to take your business to the next level with AI, check out my AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds with AI automation. If you need help ranking your website on Google and getting more leads, I'm offering free SEO strategy sessions. Links in the comments and description. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 14,000 members who are crushing it with AI. Don't sleep on this. The AI revolution is here, and it's free. Go build something amazing.